jugadas, we miss open shots, we miss layups, and then it confuses us, we go to other things, no? Running the same stuff.
Play the center with the select. After that, there are no options. Play for thumb, even thumb down, or even thumb side, but play thumb. Step by step. If you don't believe in that, it's better to go to swing.
Tenemos faltas por dar, faltas por dar, faltas por dar, faltas por dar. Hostias, haremos un puto contraataque con una falta.
If we don't play with discipline, if we play regular one, and don't play a screen, and don't receive the ball, and Albisi press the ball and play at 8 meters. And not playing our spacings. Don't play in our spacings. And then, they in offense play easy. Pass, drive the ball easy. Why?
Now is the moment to increase the level in the fields we are doing, offense and defense. We have to keep the level very high.
Olvídate de los árbitros, olvídate, no nos van a ayudar. Y si haces gestos nos van a meter una técnica y eso nos resta. Tú juega con tu máxima energía.
No more complaint, no more complaint. Every time that we make, it's not foul. It's the same that when we practice. Every time that we make, it's not foul. So, play tougher here.
No pierdas la bola porque perdemos el balón, meter un triple, mira nuestras caras, ya está. ¡Ey! ¡Venga, ey! ¡Ey! ¡Que no pasa nada! Venga. Hay que seguir compitiendo.